The next line is these are all whole categories of the ribbon. File goes to this, which is the basic home, new, open, save, print, export functions. Home is the functions you use most of the time. You'll be in that one. Then insert is if you want to insert graphs, text boxes and things like that. Page layout is if you want to change that, which we'll go into in this and future courses. Formulas, I always think it should be formulae, which is how I was brought up, saying the plural of formulas, plural of formula, but maybe it's an Americanism, but this is what they call it, formulas. So they're categorized here, or you can just, if you know what formula you want, all pretty scary if you've never done anything like this before, but most people just use 2 or 3 formulas again and again and again. If you want to, this is the great one, insert function, and then you've got your favorite ones, and then you can just type what you want to do and it will suggest one. Data is to do with manipulating data or tables and databases and so on. Review is for things like protecting. I hardly ever use this tab, to be honest. View is, I use this sometimes to freeze panes, which I'll show you a bit later on in this course. Developer you probably won't have unless you've enabled this in your settings, but that's for advanced things like macros. Then of course the help thing. So anytime you've got a question, you can type it here and contact support in different ways if you want to. That's that line, and then I also explained the ribbon. So you get a different one of these. Basically for every one of these you click, you get a different one of these. You can also customize the ribbon if you want to. If you just right click there and you can click on customize the ribbon, and then there's a whole sort of other things you can do, and you can add certain, if you have certain functions you want to use all the time, you can just add them to a certain ribbon, or you can even, these are the main tabs, and you can add new tabs. So you can basically create your own menu if you are that way inclined, but I would say if you're a beginner, best to just leave it alone.